Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can request a balance for Wells Fargo. And this could help you basically pay less interest by transferring your balance from your other high rate credit cards to, for example, a Wells Fargo credit card. Okay, really easy and simple to do this. You can lower your monthly payments. And for example, if you have multiple bills, you can turn this into one easy payment. But there may be, balance transfer fees that may apply. Really easy and simple to do this. So what you need to do is you need to sign on to the credit card service center through Wells Fargo online. Come here, click on sign on, and then go ahead to the credit card service center. Then what you need to do is just select request a balance transfer. You'll find this under account management, and then you can go ahead and start the transfer process. Or what you can do is you can call this number right here, 1-800-642-4720, and you'll be in touch with a customer care representative. Basically, this person, the more appropriate title will be account management, and they will basically assist you to do this transfer process. Really easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide was of value to you. And if it was, consider smashing that like button, guys, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you in the next one.